Bimota has unveiled its smallest capacity motorcycle yet, the new KB399, and the more premium ES variant, both scheduled to join the lineup in 2026. Built on the platform of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX4RR, the KB399 is powered by a 399cc inline-4 engine that delivers a claimed 79 brake horsepower at peak. As expected from Bimota, the bike combines this proven performance base with a heavy dose of exotic materials and high-end craftsmanship. The design is unmistakably Bimota, featuring bespoke bodywork with integrated winglets, along with billet-machined upper and lower triple clamps and a sculpted steering stem top cap. The standard model comes finished in the brand's signature black, red, and white livery, complemented by a striking red frame. For riders seeking something more exclusive, the KB399ES raises the bar. It introduces carbon fiber fairings, billet brake and gear pedals, and adjustable billet foot pegs, all mounted with dedicated stays to enhance both aesthetics and performance. Suspension duties on both versions are handled by 41mm Showa SFF BP front forks and a Showa BFRC light rear shock. However, the ES variant upgrades the rear setup to a premium Öhlins STX46 unit for improved handling precision. Braking performance is equally impressive, with twin Brembo Stylema radio calibers providing strong stopping power. Adding to the bike's appeal is a bespoke Akrapovic exhaust, promising the high-revving signature Inline-4 soundtrack that enthusiasts will appreciate. Electronically, the KB399 range inherits its suite directly from the ZX4 platform. This includes 3-mode traction control, selectable power modes, integrated riding modes, and a standard quickshifter. In terms of styling, the bike shares clear visual DNA with the Bimota KB998. That's no coincidence, as both models were penned by the same designer, giving the KB399 a scaled-down superbike aesthetic.